Y'all. Oh my, alrighty. Oh yes. Oh yes, oh yes, oh yes, oh yes, oh yes, oh yes. Remember, I told you guys I got wired and not wireless because I've heard with the wireless you have to constantly buy batteries. And I don't want to constantly be buying batteries, even though some people's preference may be wireless. That's fine with them, but my preference is going to be wired. Alrighty, so more instructions. Remember, keep all my instructions together. Got some cords here. Looks like a little USB thing there. Got looks like tells you 3.5 mm there. Alrighty. Hurry up. Get these out. Let's see. Take my glasses off. Don't need them. Oh my. Got this nice, soft, as you can see, soft headset. Take these off. Let's see. Got buttons over here on the left. Well, actually, in order to see what they are, this says PC, and then that has the 3.5. This says G3, G2, G1. Got a little thing where it shows no sound. Got an up and a down. Ooh. Got the plugs in there. Ooh, they kind of spin around there. That's neat. And got the good old G on there. Yep. Got the G on there. And there's the G635 there. Now I'm only looking for one thing. That's pretty cool. Pops right off of there. Aha! I found it. Hey, there we go. Now let's try these bad boys on real quick and see how comfortable they are. Oh yeah, they're adjustable. And they aren't tight on your head like most headsets are tight on your head. This one has that soft, meshy base. That's pretty cool, like this microphone. And it is bendable. Yeah. If I'm getting loud, I'm sorry. As you could tell, whenever you have headphones on, you can't ever hear how loud you're talking. But yeah, I like this a lot. Alrighty, we'll be moving on. I'm just going to set these down. I like them. I might want to leave these on for the rest of the video. No, just kidding. Put these over here. Oh, put my trusty, good old, oh wait, let me go ahead so I don't break anything. Let me go ahead and push that back in there. See how that just aligns right up in there? So pop it out like I feel like, Scotty, can you beam me up? Scotty, are you there? Scotty, can you beam me up? That's what it feels like. Okay, there we go. Now we're gonna go over here, put the plastic up, run over here, put these instructions with my other instructions, perfect. Alrighty, box on top of box, which I'll be putting the boxes with the boxes inside of, like I said, use them later for Christmas gifts. And let's see. Okay, one thing that I did want to remind you guys about is I will be taking this video card out. It is a good video card. Remember, it came in the system. So we're gonna peel this lovely little thing off of here like that. Yippers. And remember, I already have pulled this up, so I'm just gonna pull this up all the way here. That's just a little mesh anti-static guard portion right there. Don't know. Okay, so it's just, there we go. It's magnetic. Goes right on there. Might have to get a little bit of that glue off. We won't worry about that. Alright, and remember the card that I will be putting in there that's going to replace that card is my GeForce GTX 1080. It's going to go in there. But I think once I get ready to put it in the computer, you'll be able to see it as well. But I won't open it this time. I don't want to like get any static or do anything wrong to zap anything. I'll wait till I get it ready to put it in my computer there. I'm just going to put that right there. Don't forget, guys, I got my DDR4 3000 megahertz. Remember, I bought this memory 2 sticks to put in there. But remember, I wanted this memory to go in there because I'm going to be having my lights that's going to match my fan with the neon lights are going to match my CORSAIR memory. So that way they go together. I think that'd be pretty neat. Remember, we're installing that since they have the one there and one there. Remember, I'll be in. Alright, then also my SSD card, my 860 EVO Samsung solid state drive. It's my solid state drive. So on my next video, guys, I'll be having everything all together and all hooked up. That way we can start gaming and doing the other things that I want to do. Uploading all kinds of videos to you guys. So remember, you guys can comment, make some suggestions of what you guys think. You can subscribe, like it, and don't forget to hit the notification bell next to the subscribe button. So each time I make a new video, you guys will be notified when it's ready and available to you. So right now, I'm getting ready to close it up for the evening. Next time you'll see me, you'll see it all put together, and we will be doing some videos of either me gaming or me doing whatever I feel like doing. Or you might be just seeing an update of what's going on with me and my life. But hopefully all will be good. You guys have a good night.